Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today we have another install video for you guys that's for the Camaro SS1LE, man. But it's not just for the Camaro SS1LE. This is for all 6 gens, man. And this product here is called ScreenProTech. Major shout out to the owners and the people over there at ScreenProTech because they are huge followers of my channel. They like how I do my install videos. They know how detailed I am. Y'all know how detailed I am when I come to doing installs and being very technical on my channel. And today they sent me their product to try out, and I have a discount code for you guys, but you got to watch it all the way through to the end so you guys can see where you can get that discount code and how to apply it. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and take this product here because my screen and my infotainment is all dirty, all messed up, man, with fingerprints and everything, because that's one of the things that I always forget to take care of, man. I'm not even gonna lie. So with this here, we're gonna go ahead and install it and show you what you need to do. So come on, let's do it. Okay, so as we just getting started here, let's open it up. Let's see what we get. Okay, QR code. I don't know if it'll work for you guys, but QR code here if you're interested. We're just gonna put that right here on the screen. And let's see what it comes with. Overall, I like the packaging. The packaging is good. So it looks like they give us some nice spray so we can spray the bottle or whatever here. So nice empty spray container so we can add our soap and our solution in there. And let's see what else we got here. Oh, see, now this is nice so far. This one thing I do like about the company is that they give you 2, because they know people are going to be messing up on the first time, or they may get bubbles or anything like that. So it's nice that they give you 2. This one right here is for the main infotainment center, and then this big piece right here is for the instrument cluster, you know, where you see the dash and all that stuff. So, and we got 2 of those here as well. So he give us 2. We got 2 options here to mess up, so this is nice. And also we have here is a nice lovely rag, and and we have a nice squeegee. So I feel real professional. It's kind of like, if you guys watch like my past videos, you guys know like I wrap my hood before I wrap like other parts of my car. Not on this one in particular, but on my old car, like I did a lot of things with it, so I'm very familiar with this, and I'm glad I could be able to show you guys. And this I must say, like, this rag here feels really good. I got to reach out to them and ask them, like, hey, do you guys make this in a bigger size? Because I really like the quality of this product, and I'm not just saying that of anything. Like, this feels good. Got this fly all in the way. So, okay, this is what all comes in the package. Now, let's go ahead and get the install started. I want to get my flashlight here so you guys can see it, because as of now, I don't think it's going to be able to pick up on camera. But let me put the flash to it. Yeah, you see how dirty that is? Look at all that dirt and fingerprints. Same up here. Lots of dirt, lots of fingerprints right there, man. You can see that glare. So this is a good test here because their setup's supposed to be anti-glare, and we don't need to look at this because this is ugly. This doesn't look nice. We like to keep our car clean at all times. And you see me, my stuff is dirty right there. I don't clean that area as much. So with this protection film, it's gonna make sure I stay on top of it all day, every day, and keep it nice and pristine with no fingerprints. So let's go ahead and install this. Just want to give you guys a nice before, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So I want to just turn on the light on the car so everything can start looking good. As of now, we got a nice little clean surface. Next, let's go ahead and just spray this down a little bit. I'm not gonna spray a lot, just enough so we can make sure the surface is clean. Look at that. Yeah, it has some nice adhesive to it, I must say. Not that bad. It's very easy to work with. It kind of reminds me of like 3M are interested in like doing this for their own personal car, they do have multiple different options, because I know the Camaro has different sizes. Of course, the one that I have is the 8-inch, but they do have the 7-inch version for you guys if you're interested in getting the same setup. I'm really liking it. It's looking good. Touching it so far. No fingerprints, which is crazy so far. So that is nice that it's going to stay nice and pristine. I feel like the instrument cluster going to be the tough part, because it's just a matter of like, okay, like do I pull this out? Do I lift it up, lift it down? I feel like lifting it down is probably be like the easiest way for me, since I'm pretty much a big guy. So we're gonna spray this, make sure the surface is all nice and clean. And I'm very excited to use this too, man, because this seems to always get dirty, and I don't even know how it gets this dirty, to be honest with you guys, man. I have no clue, because I rarely put my hands up here unless I'm like recording content for you guys. But other than that, I really don't even touch this. But it seems to get a lot of dirt. It seems to attract a lot of dirt and dust from time to time. Major shout out to the garage door opener that's giving you guys this lovely view, because I was trying to figure out like how can I show this better. So same things apply here. This is like the most complex part right here, just to get this film in this area and trying to just lay it on the right way. So this is the finishing results of it. Like I said, I just got that little bit to get down there. It's not going to take much to do, but overall it looks good. Even the screen over here looks good. Got my fingerprints. Look, before, no fingerprints, no glare like it was before, so that's nice. All this is good. It just, you just see watermarks here, but I just gotta wipe it down, which I could do that right now for you guys. Put some of this on there, wipe it with this so you guys can see the finishing results. I'm not gonna do them like that, but overall, like, yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna just finish squeegeeing this down, because I got majority of it. But I must say, to be honest with you guys, this is a little bit tricky right here based on how the dash is, because the dash kind of got like a little indent a little bit. But overall though, like, I'm glad I made it this far, and this is all I got left to work with. This is easy stuff, especially coming from this. So all right, y'all, that's pretty much it. Very simple install. You know, just spray the back of the film with water, squeegee it out, and that's pretty much all that's left into it. I'm just had to get out and stretch, because if you do that instrument cluster, man, you're gonna be like this a little bit, because it's very tight and very cramped up in there to just get it to land perfect like how I did. But overall, the product is great. There's no fingerprints or anything like that, so I'm very pleased with that, since it will last for a long time. And I'll probably do a review probably the next 2 or 3 months, letting you know in this Arizona heat, how long does it really last under these conditions. Being in a very tight car that gets hot, it gets 110 degrees here, so we'll see if it like peel off or anything like that. But if you guys stay to the end of the video, here go the discount code for the product that they gave me. You get 10% off. So y'all go to their site, y'all check it out. They do variety of vehicles. So even if you don't have a Camaro, maybe you're looking to protect your screen on your daily, like, go over there and check it out. So they got a nice site, easy to use, and yeah, so go over there, check it out, enjoy this 10% off. And like that, that's gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna just finish these little small bubbles I got in the corner. So if you guys like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.